Well, we've seen how the motor effect works, how a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field can produce a force, but the opposite happens. If we have a magnetic field, we have a strong magnetic field across these points, and we move a wire within that, you can see we get a slight deflection on the meter. If we increase the number of turns, so we get a longer bit of current carrying conductor in the field, we get more of a deflection. And this only happens when the wire is moving in the field, not when it is stationary. If we have lots of turns of wire, this is a big coil of wire, 1,100 turns. If we move a magnet in that, we should get a bigger current. There we go. Once again, that is only when it is moving. And this is a usable current. We can power things from it. I've got some small magnets in these tubes, small powerful ones, and coils of wire, about 750 turns, with an LED connected to each end. And if I invert this tube so that the magnet falls through the coils, you can see that the LEDs light up. And we saw an electric motor. We can make an electric generator in the same sort of way. Just like the motor, this has a coil of insulated wire between two magnets to give a magnetic field. It has a commutator with little brushes. These bits are the brushes. And we can drive it fast with a pulley wheel. And in one direction we get an LED lighting, and in the other direction the other LED lights, because it's producing a direct current. And you might be wondering why my tube with LEDs produces light from the LEDs in both directions. Well, that's because the magnet has a magnetic field going out and round the other pole, and it's the outwards part of that magnetic field as it goes out and round, and the inwards part that is at 90 degrees to the coil. So in one direction it is the top part generating current in one direction, and when it falls the other way, the other magnet, the inwards field, will be producing current in the correct direction to light the LED. So in one direction, one end of the magnet's doing the generating, and when it falls in the other direction, the other end of the magnet is doing the generating.